everyone. I'm Rebecca Keaton, and I am honored to be your Superior Court clerk. And I'm so happy this morning because I am not running for office. I'm here this morning because I have the privilege of introducing a personal friend and a colleague of mine who is running for the Superior Court seat, and that is Juanita Stedman. Juanita is an incredible judicial court judge. Currently, she is our juvenile court judge. And let me tell you why I'm supporting her. Juanita, as a juvenile court judge, has sat in and handled hundreds, probably thousands of civil cases. Now, the criminal side of being a judge is not difficult. It's not difficult to sit in and sentence after a trial a defendant who's perpetrated a crime against a victim. It is difficult, let me tell you, to sit in and administer justice, to decide what parent will have custody of a child, to decide child support issues, and to decide the division of property and assets in a nasty divorce. That is really the very difficult part about being a Superior Court judge that has exclusive jurisdiction over that issue. Juanita is the only candidate who has experience doing this, and I know personal as being an attorney practicing in Cobb County that Juanita has done this with patience and with diligence, and she's had the opportunity of doing this because the other Superior Court judges have appointed her to do that because they don't like handling those cases, because those are the difficult ones. But I can assure you that Juanita, if elected, will be the kind of judge that will be there for us directly, that will affect our families, and she will be a fair judge, and she will decide morally, she will be patient, and you can't pick a better person to be our Superior Court judge other than Juanita Stedman. So I think she might want to say a few things. I respectfully ask for your vote for Juanita.
Thank you. Good morning. Just today in this room, a grandparent came up to me and said, Judge Stedman, I have your son at my house because I had a case in front of you. There were two sets of grandparents. One set, not the grandparent who's in here, wanted to have that grandchild, and the other grandparents not have any visitation whatsoever. What he said to me, and he's in here, was, you got it. You figured out that this grandchild needed to have two sets of grandparents. And I have done that. So I have 30 seconds left because Rebecca talked a lot, so do the math. Here's the math. In Cobb Superior Court in 2013, 28% of the cases were criminal. 72% of them were civil and domestic. Do the math. I've been a judge for almost 14 years. On September 11th, it'll be 14 years. Of those 14 years, over 3 years I've spent in Superior Court doing every kind of case that's there. Next week I am presiding over a criminal case, and I assure you the judges wouldn't let me do that if I weren't tough on crime also. Thank you. Thanks so much.